Don't worry, it happens from time to time. How you doing? Okay, no problem, no problem.
I'm sorry, we just got a call about, I guess, you.
Yeah, no problem. I mean,
I guess when people go door to door in Palm Coast, dude, you get calls all the time for it.
Okay.
If you're soliciting or whatever it may be. Do you have a permit for it?
If I need to call my manager, that's fine.
Yeah.
I don't keep my
I'm just
permit
letting
on
you know,
me.
we get it. It's quite often.
In terms of we have our permit to work in the areas. In terms of that aspect, and beyond that, I'm badged. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. You got all the
I don't walk around. And
I
was even here yesterday.
I figured I'd just, at least let you know, because in Palm Coast you do have to have a permit to solicit. I just saw you again. I figured I'd keep talking.
Oh yeah, in terms of there's different ordinances we have, but whenever we go out to the area, we always have that scoped out in terms of my actual managers, and I go do my work. You know what I mean? And they take care of that aspect in terms of it. In our company, we do our best to be in terms of those aspects, in terms of the ordinances and those things. We don't go to areas where we're going to have those issues, and we try to, as this neighborhood is in a no soliciting when you go into
those I guess
things
the
as
city
well.
Of Palm Coast.
No, I get you.
I'm sorry, man.
No. But you know, if it's a city, I get it. But what I was getting at is that we usually scope those things out to make sure we don't go through these type of things. You know, to make business easier for us. And so at the end of the day, we're trying to do things in a
just also so I can notate it correctly. Do you happen to have your ID on you?
I don't have my ID because I don't bring it on me because I've lost my IDs.
I got you. What's it out? What state is it out of?
I'm out of California, and nonetheless, in terms of it, in terms of moving out here, you can take my number. We don't know those things. We live in Jackson. I'm in Jacksonville.
Did you have any dealings in California with any type of, like law or anything like that?
In terms of, I have from time to time in different places, but whenever people come to me and they see what I'm doing and see how I'm presented, I usually don't get bothered.
I'm not saying anything. I'm asking you.
No, I get you. I'm just
asking you.
Let
Let me tell you why.
Yes, sir.
Can I just be honest with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you actually have a warrant out of Texas. Have you been to Texas?
Have I been to Texas?
Failure to appear?
No.
Okay, well that's what it's for. Okay, it's active, full extradition, everything like that. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a father, man.
I understand. So I want to do as peaceful as possible. Can we do that today?
What are you talking about?
What's that?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean?
You want to do what as peaceful as possible?
Like, just make everything peaceful as possible. I'm just trying. I want to show you and everything like that if we can get this figured out as far as a failure to appear. Okay. Okay. Can you just tell me about it? I'm trying to ask you a question.
I'm just throwing out the fact that I'm from California. That's where my ID's at. In terms of where I'm from, you know what I mean.
I'm just trying to get more information.
And that's the part that I'm. When they say the failure to appear, I am confused on that.
Well, let's figure it out real quick. I'm like very full of serious
No.
I don't care if you're here. Anybody can be in the neighborhood.
No, but in terms of what we're talking about now, you're saying there's a warrant and we're looking for this and that, and I'm like, what's going on? And so
I'm not just digging things up. I'm just saying it came. What it came and
it kind of, it kind of got digged up somehow. I mean,
well, if I ran your name, it comes up. You know what I mean? That's what happened. I didn't dig it.
Okay,
I didn't have to go fishing for it or nothing. Okay.
Can I please live my life, though, sir?
Of course, and we can all live our lives.
No, I mean in terms of, I'm in Florida. I'm not in Texas. I'm not even from here. None of those things. I haven't done anything wrong.
I understand.
I was working, and I will handle that if that's the case on my own. But I mean, I'm from California. I'm working out here. That's what's going on.
I got you, man. You got a warrant, and we have to.
You can't ignore a warrant.
We cannot. It's court order.
When you say you can't ignore a warrant, what does that even mean?
Meaning, like, if I pull you over for speeding, I have a little discretion on whether or not I want to write you a ticket. Right. We don't have discretion when it comes to this. We can't ignore a warrant. We have to take it.
You got to take?
Yes. You have a warrant, so we have to take you to our local jail, and then you'll be probably extradited over to, was it Texas?
Yes.
I'm working. This is, when you guys saying that aspect, I don't even understand what's going on in terms of the fact that you guys are saying this. I'm in Florida, and you guys are saying something about Texas. This doesn't even make sense to me.
It's full extradition, which means anywhere you are in this country, the judge ordered the warrant. Sometimes there's limitations on the warrant. This one has no limitations.
I want to see my family.
Okay, well, you said you never lived there. We're trying to confirm that we don't want any mistakes either. We don't want to take you to jail unnecessarily, but right now, what we're going to do is we're going to have to put you in handcuffs just for now. If it's just detaining, we're not handcuffed, we're not arresting you right now. We're waiting to confirm your name and your spelling.
If I'm here right now, why do you need a cuff me?
Because we don't want you running. People who have warrants run. So could you just please just do me a favor and just turn around?
Okay. But that's
don't make it worse, okay?
It's already worse when you're saying
the worst thing that happens is we put you in handcuffs and you get to come right back out again. Well, that's the best
That's
thing.
the
Can
Then.
best.
I have my managers come here, please, and actually just be
That's not-
involved in this because I haven't done anything. And you guys, I'm only working.
Just
And
turn
now all
around,
of a sudden-
okay?
But hold on one second.
Please,
No, no,
It's
no.
not something
Chris.
that
Just
I
listen.
haven't done anything, and you guys are now.
Just detained. You're not under arrest yet.
That's my point. Is that you're detaining me for something that I don't.
Listen, we're not going to ask again, okay? Don't make this worse than it has to be, okay? Turn around. And just put your hand behind your back.
I
The
didn't-
handcuffs can come off as quickly as they came on.
That's terrible.
All right?
It doesn't even have to be on. I'm not even. I haven't done any. If I was going to run, I would have ran. I'm not. This,
Okay.
I didn't consent to this at all, and I'm not running anywhere. If I was going to run, I would have ran. Like I don't
I'm
get it.
saying you are running. It's just what we do.
But that's what would have happened. No,
Hang on a
I
second.
didn't consent to this, and then you guys are doing this, and you guys are telling me you guys are looking
Well, of
out
course
for
you're
me.
not going to consent.
And you guys
to
are
it.
looking
Dude,
out.
I don't
for
want
me.
to take you to jail.
We don't want
Okay?
to take you to
But
jail if you don't
doesn't
belong in
pop up,
jail.
then if it doesn't pop up, then I won't. I can't.
Have a seat in
What
the
do you mean
car,
if it
okay?
doesn't
You'll
pop
be in the
up
air
what,
conditioning.
If they have to confirm every warrant that we do, okay?
But you looked for the warrant. You know
It's
you
not
asked that.
confirmed
You took
yet.
my information because that's
Correct.
what was going on.
Listen,
I mean, honestly, like you didn't care for me working, my man. Like I mean, that's
What
the
do
whole
you mean
thing.
I didn't
Have a
care
If you
seat.
for
You're
you?
going to be in the air
you're looking
conditioning,
for
all right?
warrants. You told him to look for a warrant.
I didn't
That's
tell
correct.
them to
We
look
read-
for it. I just
Sit
ran
down
it.
in the air conditioning and he will explain something to you.
Actually,
Everybody
there's more
gets-
leg room on the other side. Let's go to the
I
other
won't-
side.
Come on over.
Go to the other
I'm not
side.
even talk. I didn't even get to talk to my wife correctly. What's going on?
I'll let you talk to your wife.
And I didn't even my managers. Like none of this is right.
Let's go to this side, okay? Please.
None of this is right. None of it's right. Like you saw me that I was working, and then after that, that's what's going on. You're looking for warrants, and instead of seeing if
I
I'm
didn't
working,
say, hey, can you look for a warrant for this guy? I just rang your name and it popped up.
nah, you didn't even get my name.
You said-
You
yes,
took
I
my
did.
birthday. You never took my name.
Because I read your name. It's right there.
Yeah, but you didn't tell
Have a
me you were
seat.
taking my name. This isn't.
Is this the
right.
correct spelling of your name?
I never said it was wrong.
I'm
Yes,
asking
it is.
you.
It's
That's
definitely
okay.
my correct spelling.
That's
Even
what
on
you
our
ran.
website.
Put your head in, okay?
Why do you need to? This isn't right, man. Can I, please?
Just try to get in.
Like, why are we doing this?
Just please get in.